Ever wonder where Earth truly freezes? We are diving into the top 3 coldest spots. Places so extreme they redefine cold. From Siberia's Oymyakon, a permanently inhabited village, to Vostok Station in Antarctica, registering a staggering -89.2 degrees Celsius. These places challenge human endurance. Discover more frozen wonders next.